Well guys, for the most part, here's the finished product of the floor, and it's coming out really good. Just giving you another quick update, and this is almost done. Still got a few more feet to go back, and she'll be ready. And I'm gonna take that whole back trim, that wall out probably tomorrow, and do that part of it, put the new wood base down, the new wall covering, and then after that I think that'll be it, because I can't do my headliner and stuff yet, so I can't even put the cabinets back in. But yeah, just another update. All right.